So know what your engine's trying to tell you. The easiest way, obviously, is just to pay attention to those check engine lights. What are some other things, Nick?
You know, we got those problem indicators we kind of talk about, right? Like weird noises. Your oil consumption's going up. Fuel consumption's going up. You got a loss of power.
Right? You know, most operators drive the same machine every day. He's going to notice when something's off. We just want to make sure we're communicating with that operator and he's giving us feedback. Over a period of time, you know, the engine's trying to tell you that I'm overheating. Maybe you need to clean my radiator fins out or charge air cooler fins, things like that.